Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's create new solid layer for background. Add the name background and okay, go to FX presets, search FF fill and use for solid layer and choose color white like this and okay, and let's lock layer, go to project. And now let's choose these 3D models. First suitcase, drag and drop into compensation and press R, chain rotation like this and move to left. Then palm, let's drag and drop into compensation and car. Choose drag and drop into compensation and move to right. So in this time select these 3 models and press S, chain scale like this. And press S for close settings. Then go to shape layers, hold this icon, choose a rectangle tool and let's create a rectangle tool like this. Clickation tool and go to fill color, choose color green. And okay, let's change name layer green and move to behind of 3D models. So let's move to left a little bit. Okay, in this time, choose this green. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate and move to right. And let's change name blue. Go to fill color, let's open and choose blue. Click OK. So select this blue, let's Ctrl D for duplicate and move to right. And go to fill color, choose yellow. And okay, and change name yellow. So in this time select these 3 layers and let's change scales a little bit like this. Okay, go to here and enable title action save and choose first green and this 3D model and move to right. Then select this blue and these 3. Let's move to left and yellow car. Move to here. And let's select this yellow, move to behind of car, and blue, move to behind of tree. Okay, and finally select these all layers, and let's move to center. Okay, so in this time select this green and press P. Let's move to down. And let's create new passing keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can press Hold Shift, press page down keyboard, and move to up. Go to 10 keyframes again, move to down, again 10 keyframes, move to up, again 10 keyframes, move to down and again move to up. Select keyframes and make it easy or click F9. Let's preview. Okay, not bad. And choose this green, go to back, hold Shift, press S, open scale, click scale icon, and create scale keyframe, change scale like this, and go to here, let's change scale 110, go to next keyframe 95, again next keyframe 102, and again 100%, and make it keyframes easy. And select keyframes, hold Alt, move to right. Let's preview animation. Okay, that's good. So let's go to here and choose this 3D model. Let's link to shape layer green and choose 3D model, press R and create Y rotation keyframe. Let's change rotation 0, move to left and go to 10 seconds, change 3. Let's see. Okay, pretty good. And let's go to first second. Choose these keyframes. And let's copy all position and scale keyframe. Let's copy, go to choose layer blue and Ctrl V. And press P, select position keyframes and go to last position keyframe and move to here. And select this 3D model 3. Let's link to shape layer blue and press R, open rotation. Let's create Y rotation keyframe, move to left. And go to last 10 seconds, change 4. Let's see. Okay, and right now Let's choose blue and 3. Move to right. Okay, perfect. Let's preview animation. Okay, very nice. I like it. And let's go to again first second and copy these green keyframes and select this yellow. Ctrl V for paste, press P, select position keyframes, go to last position and move to here. Let's zoom to for see details. Okay, and choose this blue car and go to here, press R, open rotation and create Y rotation keyframe. Move to left and go to last second. Let's write here 3 and link to layer yellow and choose this yellow and 3D model and move to right. Let's see. Okay, better timing. Nice. Very smooth animation. I like it. And in this time, let's go to text and write here time to travel. And clicization tool. Move to here, change font size. And also can choose here better fonts. Let's choose Harbara. Okay, and let's open for change time color. Let's use color green and change to use blue and text travel use yellow. Okay, let's clicization tool and go to align. Click this icon for move to center. Go to window, open animation composer, and if you have not animation composer, I will add a link on the description below. You can check out now. And let's choose text presets. Let's open folder and translation characters, position scale. Let's see. Okay, let's choose overshot. Okay, that's good. And let's click in. And for smooth animation, choose this mark, move to right. Go to solo, preview animation. Okay, pretty good. And close window. Let's unsolo. Let's see timing. Okay, now let's go to here. And in this time, choose first green. Let's create new position keyframe and go to here. Let's go to fit up to 100 and move to down. Let's choose keyframes, go to graph editor and zoom to graph. Make smooth graph animation. Let's choose work area. Okay, this is very fast. Back to keyframes. Select last keyframe, move to right. And let's change quality to quarter. Okay, not bad. And in this time, choose layer blue. Let's create new position keyframe and go to here. Also move to down. Let's Ctrl R for add line. Okay, choose this blue and move to down. And choose keyframes, go to graph editor, make smooth graph. And let's choose these two keyframes and move to left. Okay, that's good. And now let's choose this yellow, create new position keyframe, go to here and move to down. Choose keyframes, go to graph editor and make smooth graph. Preview animation. Nice. And select this text. Let's change font, go to properties, change font size. Let's hold Ctrl and double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point to center, clicization tool and move to down and go to align, again move to center. Okay. And let's timing. Okay, back to keyframes and choose this text, move to right. Preview animation. Okay, I love it. And now we can add some shape elements for more dynamic. Go to window, again animation composer and go to down and shape elements. Let's choose impact line 1. Let's add and back to browse. Also impact 2, add. Okay, let's close window and let's see timing. We can use here these shape layers and go to FX presets, search FF fill, use for impact line and use color green. Okay, and here let's use next shape layer and fill, go to color, use blue. And the last yellow. Let's Control D, move to right. And color, let's use yellow. Okay, preview animation.